Hello, welcome back to TechLib. Today we will be discussing about the questions that are being asked regarding Python, its theoretical and programmatical knowledge. Our first question is, what is the difference between list and tuple? In Python, both list and tuples are used to store collections of items. However, they differ in how they behave and how efficiently they handle data. Understanding their differences helps in choosing the right data structure for your tasks. Let's break them down feature by feature. Considering mutability, a list is mutable, meaning we can change, add, remove, or modify its elements after it is created. This makes lists useful when working with dynamic datasets where updates are required. A tuple, on the other hand, is immutable, meaning once it's created, its elements cannot be changed. Any attempt to modify a tuple will result in an error. Tuples are useful for storing constant data that should remain unchanged. Considering syntax, lists are defined using square brackets. They allow multiple elements and can grow or shrink dynamically. Tuples are defined using parentheses. Once created, their size and elements remain fixed. Considering performance, tuples are faster than lists because they are immutable. Python optimizes tuples internally, making them consume less memory and improving performance when used to fix data storage. Lists are slower because they allow modifications requiring additional memory and computation when resizing and updating elements. Considering use cases, lists should be used when you need a flexible collection that might need modifications. Common examples include storing and modifying your user data, appending new values dynamically, managing ordered sequences. Tuples are ideal when you need unchangeable collections, ensuring data remains intact throughout execution. Common use cases include storing constants, returning multiple values from a function, securely storing configuration settings. Let's see methods. Lists come with multiple methods that allow insertion, deletion, sorting, and more. Tuples have fewer methods since they cannot be modified. In the conclusion, use lists when you need flexibility, modifications, and dynamic operations. Use tuples when you need faster execution, memory efficiency, and fixed data. By understanding these key differences, you can write more optimized and efficient Python programs.